Hi, I'm Alan with Blaze, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the Blaze Designer, a first-in-class AI-native visual studio that helps you create beautiful marketing assets in your brand style. To get started, we'll first go to Brand AI and create a brand style. With Blaze, I've already integrated my Instagram and Facebook account, so I'm going to create a brand style based off my Facebook account. Now Blaze is going to analyze all the content that I've published on my Facebook page so that we can match the aesthetics and vibes so that when I'm designing content, it looks similar to the content already on this social network. Here we've got the logo, our color palette with our yellow, red, and blue, as well as fonts that I can use when I'm designing my content. This looks good to me, so now we can start creating content. And we have over 60 different visual content types that you can create in Blaze. From Instagram square posts to stories, YouTube thumbnails, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and so much more, as well as custom ones. Let's start with an Instagram square post. And with Blaze, we have over 500 different professionally designed templates to help you get started and creating content really quickly. There's all types of categories of templates. So from corporate to startup, if you're in e-commerce, in business, nonprofit, all types. You can even filter this by types. So if you're looking at illustrations, or maybe you're making an announcement, or you can go by styles if you want something more minimalist, colorful, or aesthetic. Let's do a business one, and we'll start with this template. And now we can restyle this template in our brand colors and fonts with the brand style that we created. And we'll use Blaze's AI to write the caption for us. This post is going to be introducing the Blaze Designer tool. And we'll write this in our Blaze AI brand voice. We'll name this Designer Launch and generate our content. So here we are in the Blaze Designer. Let me give you a quick tour. Here we have our canvas. We've got our caption below. We've got our menu options up at the top, as well as the sidebar. You can see all these elements are layered so that we can rearrange these if we need to. So let's start with the canvas. You can click and resize content as needed. You can move it around, as well as you can always right click and copy, paste, duplicate, or even change the layering and align elements to the canvas in different ways. And you can see once we've clicked on a piece of text, our sidebar here has changed. We have tons of different options to customize this text. So we can have Blaze rewrite this with AI. We can change it to over 100 different fonts, as well as change colors, borders, opacities, alignments, all that great stuff that you would do with text. You can also add in new elements. So if you'd like to add in shapes, you can add in frames with images embedded in them, as well as icon and vector images. And speaking of images, you can upload your own. So you can bring in any images from your desktop. You can use AI to generate AI-generated images, as well as grab images from your existing media library, or choose any from our stock photo service. If you don't like the template that you created, you can always go and find a new one and easily switch it out in the template library. Or you can grab new backgrounds. So you can add in, a cool gradient color. Maybe this one's a little bit easier to read, as well as we've got a bunch of textures and different kind of sceneries behind it. Now you saw we created our brand style. Here is where you can change that if you like. So if you want to try out new brand fonts and colors, so we can click this button and rotate this through to make font and find one that really works for us. There we go. And then we could easily add in our logo, resize that, and put that here in the top left. Next, we have our caption. So Blaze generated our caption for us, but we also have multiple options. So we've got all these alternate options that we can choose to replace our primary one or edit any of them. And as always, write your own. When your content is ready to be published, you can go to Publish, and you can publish your content directly from Blaze once you've integrated it. So I've already integrated Instagram with Blaze, so I can publish this now. For content that we don't have integrations with, you can always download this content and publish it manually. So if I could post now, we can see the preview of the content right here. We can see the caption as well as the Instagram account that I've got connected. Now I can post now or schedule for later. I can choose tomorrow and schedule that. And now my content is auto scheduled. You can see that here at the top, and I can always change the date or unschedule it if I want. So that's how to use the Blaze Designer and create beautiful marketing assets right within Blaze. For more tips and tricks on how to use Blaze and to grow your business, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.